So you have reached this. You have reached to join the investigation. What has the Supreme Court ordered you? Will you be cooperating with the investigation?
I will definitely cooperate with the investigation as directed by the Honorable Supreme Court. I'll honor the orders of the Supreme Court.
You expect that you will get relief from the Supreme Court on the 6th of December?
I have brought all the facts and I expect justice.
What do you expect? What do you think about the cases registered against you?
Whatever I have to say, I'll say it in the court.
Thank you, sir. So, Parambir Singh?
ये बहुत ही अचरज की बात है. जो व्यक्ति इस स्टेट के पुलिस के प्रमुख रहे हैं, मुंबई के पुलिस के प्रमुख रहे, ठाणा के पुलिस के प्रमुख रहे, पूरी ज़िंदगी उन्होंने अपनी पुलिस में यहाँ पे महाराष्ट्र में बिताई. उनको अगर खतरा लगता है उनके जान को, तो किसी से खतरा है, क्या खतरा है, वो बताएंगे तो देख सकते हैं.
Right, my colleague Sahil Joshi is now joining me live from Mumbai on this. Sahil just spoke exclusively to Parambir Singh, who has in fact reached Mumbai in order to join the investigation as directed by the Apex Court. Sahil, what's likely to happen now?
Well, Paulmi, he had just reached to Mumbai Police's Crime Branch Unit 11 because this is where the case has been registered against him, which was earlier registered with the Goregaon police station and then transferred to the crime branch. This is where the investigation is happening, and in this case he was declared proclaimed offender by the Mumbai's magistrate court, and that is the reason why he chose to come to this police station first to join the investigation, because what is important for him at this point of time is to get the order of being a proclaimed offender cancelled, because if he wouldn't have come and appeared to join the investigation, the possibility of his properties being seized was increasing, because the police had made it very clear that if in 30 days he doesn't join the investigation, then the procedure of seizure of his properties will begin. And that is the reason why he was waiting for the protection from the Supreme Court, and accordingly now he had joined. Now it is really becoming interesting, because Parambir Singh in the Chandiwal Commission has told very clearly that the letter which he wrote to the Chief Minister, he has no evidence about that. He wrote the letter only on the basis of what Sachin Waze told him, his junior officer. He merely informed the Chief Minister. Sachin Waze then appeared in front of the Chandiwal Commission and he said that Anil Deshmukh's PA Sanjeev Palande never demanded any money from him. So on that front, the case is turning out to be different. On this front, when the Mumbai police and Thane police registered 4 FIRs against Parambir Singh, there are 4 different people. There are 2 bookies came and registered FIR in Thane police station, Thane's 2 police stations, because Parambir Singh was the Thane police commissioner earlier before becoming the anti-corruption bureau chief and then the Mumbai police commissioner. So they have registered 2 cases there. Then there is a businessman called Vimal Agarwal who has come forward and registered a case in Goregaon police station, and there is another case which has been registered against Sanjay Punamia, who was supposed to be a close aide of Parambir Singh in Marine Drive police station, which has been transferred to the CID. So there are these 4 cases, and 2 more open inquiries by Anti-Corruption Bureau are also in place. So the whole thing is turning very interesting at this point of time. Parambir Singh, after being absconded from Mumbai for almost 200 days, have decided to come back to Mumbai and join the investigation. Please understand, he is still in the police service. He came in a car, he came in an official car, which had that yellow light on the top. He is still the Director General of the Home Guards of Maharashtra. So he's still in the service. The Maharashtra government had already initiated a process of suspending him for not reporting to the duty without informing the government. But before that, he approaches the Supreme Court, gets protection from the Supreme Court and appears to join the police investigation. The events between, the fight between the Maharashtra government and Parambir Singh are turning really interesting. But Supreme Court's sentence that, this exposes that why a police commissioner, a former police commissioner, is worried about his own police. It's something really interesting. we'll have to wait and see what happens on the 6th of December. The things are turning really interesting at this point of time.
Absolutely. Sahil Joshi there tracking all those developments in Mumbai, bringing us that exclusive conversation with former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh, who surfaced again, quote unquote, after almost 200 days, as Sahil mentioned. Sahil, thank you so much for joining us. Let's listen in to that chat with Parambir Singh.
So you have reached you have reached to join the investigation. What has the Supreme Court ordered you? Will you be cooperating with the investigation?
I will definitely cooperate with the investigation as directed by the Honorable Supreme Court. I'll honor the orders of the Supreme Court.
You expect that you will get relief from the Supreme Court on the 6th of December?
I have brought all the facts and I expect justice.
What do you expect? What do you think about the cases registered against you?
Whatever I have to say, I'll say it in the court.
Thank you, sir. So Parambir Singh,
हमारे साथ हैं परमबीर सिंह, पूर्व मुंबई पुलिस कमिश्नर। सर, ये बताएंगे आप इन्वेस्टिगेशन ज्वाइन करने के लिए आए हैं?
हाँ, मैं इन्वेस्टिगेशन ज्वाइन करने आया हूँ सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश के हिसाब से।
सर, ये जानना चाहेंगे कि आगे की प्रक्रिया क्या होगी? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने प्रोटेक्शन दी है, पर आगे आप फिर भी कोई अपील?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने, उस प्रकार से मैं कोऑपरेट करूंगा इन्वेस्टिगेशन।
और सर, ये जो केसेस रजिस्टर किए जा रहे हैं, उस पर आपका क्या कहना है सर?
नहीं, मुझे कुछ कहना नहीं है। जो मुझे कहना है कोर्ट में कह चुका हूँ, कोर्ट में ही कहूँगा।
My colleague Saurabh Vaktania is now joining me live from Mumbai on this. Saurabh, good morning to you. How is the Mumbai police now going to proceed in this matter? Because they did not file a caveat in the Supreme Court, which basically paved the way for Parambir Singh to have acquired that protection from arrest from the Apex Court, and now he has in fact reached the Crime Branch Unit 11 office in order to join the investigation. How is the Mumbai police going to proceed, Saurabh? Right, we'll try and connect with my colleague Saurabh Vaktania, who in fact is joining me from Mumbai. Sahil Joshi there earlier spoke to Parambir Singh, the former Mumbai police cop. Top cop has in fact landed in Mumbai. Remember, it was India Today who told you yesterday that Parambir Singh is in Chandigarh. Remember, he has been declared a proclaimed offender by the Mumbai police, but now he has in fact landed in Mumbai. He has reached the Crime Branch Unit 11 office in Mumbai in order to join the investigation after having acquired protection from arrest by the Supreme